Often we find ourselves asking, are Chinese vehicles ready for the global market? This question is not unfounded considering the rapid and significant strides China has taken in the automobile industry. In this video we aim to explore this query in depth, examining the journey of Chinese cars from being locally oriented to potentially global game changers. We will delve into the rise of Chinese car manufacturers, their competitive edge, and the challenges they face in their quest for global recognition. So, buckle up as we embark on this exciting ride into the world of Chinese automobiles. Are Chinese cars ready to compete on the global stage toe-to-toe with other manufacturers? That's the question on many minds as we witness the rise of Chinese car manufacturers, grabbing the world's attention with their ambitious strides. In the past, Chinese cars were often associated with affordability at the expense of quality. However, the narrative has been changing dramatically. Today, Chinese car manufacturers are not just about producing low-cost vehicles. They're about delivering value and quality increasingly on par with their international counterparts. One cannot overlook the exponential growth of Chinese car manufacturers in the global market. They've been making their presence felt, from compact city cars to high-performance sports vehicles, and the ever-growing electric vehicle segment. It's not just about domestic success anymore. Chinese car manufacturers are steadily expanding their reach, setting up shop in diverse markets across the globe. So, what's driving this rise? Well, their competitive edge lies in their ability to provide value for money. Chinese cars are typically priced lower than their European and American counterparts, but don't let the price tag fool you. Over the years, Chinese manufacturers have been investing heavily in research and development, resulting in improved build quality, advanced features, and impressive performance. The growing acceptance of Chinese cars around the world is a testament to their improved standards. They're no longer viewed as cheap alternatives but as serious contenders. The rise of Chinese cars isn't just about the rise of an industry, it's about the rise of a nation's technological prowess and manufacturing capabilities. But, as with any major player in the global market, Chinese car manufacturers also have their share of challenges. They need to continuously innovate, maintain their competitive pricing, and meet ever-evolving global emission and safety standards. So, are Chinese cars ready to compete on the global stage? Well, they're certainly on the right track, but the road ahead is long and filled with twists and turns. Only time will tell how far they'll go. Let's dive deeper into the world of Chinese car manufacturers. So, who are the front runners in the world of Chinese car manufacturing? Let's start with Geely. Founded in 1986, Geely has grown from a humble refrigerator maker into one of China's largest car manufacturers. Known for their acquisition of Volvo cars, Geely is a symbol of China's ambition in the global automotive market. Their current standout model, the Geely Atlas, is all about innovation, offering a balance of power, efficiency, and safety that rivals any midsize SUV in its class. Next up, we have BYD, or Build Your Dreams. What makes BYD unique is their focus on electric vehicles. Founded in 1995, BYD has become a significant player in the global electric vehicle market. Their BYD Han EV, for instance, showcases the company's technological prowess with its impressive range and cutting-edge driver assistance systems. Then there's Chery. Chery Automobile Company has been around since 1997 and has made a name for itself through its affordable and reliable vehicles. The Chery Tiggo 7, one of their latest offerings, embodies the brand's commitment to value, delivering a comfortable and stylish compact SUV at a price point that's hard to beat. Great Wall Motors, another prominent member of the Chinese automotive industry, was established in 1984. Known for their rugged, reliable, and off-road capable vehicles, Great Wall's Haval H6 is a testament to the company's dedication to quality and performance. This compact SUV is a top seller in China and is gaining recognition around the world. Finally, we can't forget about NIO. This relatively young company, founded in 2014, is a rising star in the electric vehicle market. NIO is pushing the boundaries of what's possible in electric vehicle technology, with their NIO ES8 SUV boasting impressive acceleration, range, and autonomous driving capabilities. Each of these manufacturers is not only a powerhouse in China, but they're also making waves on the global stage. Geely's ownership of Volvo and Lotus, BYD's electric vehicle technology, Chery's commitment to value, Great Wall's off-road prowess, and NIO's innovative electric vehicles are all examples of how these Chinese manufacturers are influencing the global automotive industry. In terms of global presence, Geely and BYD have the most extensive reach, with operations in over 50 countries. Chery and Great Wall, on the other hand, are strong in emerging markets, particularly in South America and Africa. NIO, though primarily focused on the domestic market, has begun exporting their electric vehicles to Europe, signaling their ambitions to become a global brand. These are the key players shaping up the future of Chinese automotive industry. What gives Chinese cars a potential edge in the global market? That's a question that's been on many minds recently. Let's delve into it. Firstly, Chinese car manufacturers have a distinct advantage when it comes to pricing. They've mastered the art of producing quality vehicles at an affordable rate, a feat not easily achieved by many. This edge in pricing makes them not only attractive to emerging markets, but also to those in developed nations who seek affordability without compromising on quality. Next, let's talk about technology. Chinese manufacturers are not just keeping up with the latest technological advancements, they're actively shaping them. From electric vehicles to autonomous driving, they're at the forefront of innovation. Chinese electric car manufacturers, for instance, are making great strides in battery technology, increasing range and reducing charging times. It's this commitment to innovation that's driving their competitive edge. The third factor is government support. The Chinese government has thrown its weight behind its auto industry with subsidies and policies aimed at promoting electric vehicles. This government backing not only helps reduce costs, but also fosters an environment ripe for innovation and growth. But it's not just about the price tag, the tech, or the government support. It's about the synergy of these factors. It's about a nation that's rapidly industrializing, with a burgeoning middle class that's eager for mobility. It's about a country with the will and the means to make its mark on the global automotive industry. Yet, with every advantage, comes a set of challenges. Chinese manufacturers will need to navigate regulatory hurdles, establish brand recognition, and compete with established players who have decades of experience and customer loyalty. The stage is set for Chinese cars, but the question remains, can they deliver on the global stage? It's a question that will be answered in the years to come, as Chinese manufacturers continue to push the boundaries of what's possible in the automotive industry. But it's not all smooth sailing. What hurdles do Chinese car manufacturers face? The road to global recognition for Chinese car manufacturers is paved with a number of substantial challenges. These hurdles are not unique to the Chinese auto industry, but they do take on a unique shape and form in the context of China's burgeoning auto market. One of the notable challenges lies in meeting the stringent safety standards set by developed markets. While Chinese manufacturers have made significant strides in this regard, there's still a ways to go in ensuring that every vehicle rolling off the production line meets the highest safety benchmarks. It's a tall order, but one that can't be compromised on, as safety is a non-negotiable aspect for consumers worldwide. Another significant hurdle is the perception of quality. For years, Chinese products have battled stereotypes of being cheap and poorly made. This perception, albeit changing, still influences consumer choices, particularly in the auto industry, where purchases are significant investments. Chinese car manufacturers must therefore work tirelessly to not only produce high-quality vehicles, but also to change this deeply ingrained perception. Then, there's the challenge of competition from established brands. The global car market is a crowded space, with heavyweights like Toyota, BMW, and Ford dominating for decades. These brands have a loyal customer base and a proven track record. So, for Chinese car manufacturers, breaking into these markets and convincing consumers to switch from their trusted brands can be an uphill battle. Finally, there's the challenge of innovation. In an industry that's rapidly evolving with the advent of electric vehicles and autonomous driving technologies, staying at the forefront of these innovations is crucial. Chinese manufacturers need to invest heavily in research and development to keep up with, and ideally, outpace their competitors. Overcoming these challenges is crucial for the success of Chinese cars on the global stage. Each of these hurdles is a stepping stone towards that success, a test of the industry's resilience and adaptability. It's a tough journey ahead, but the potential rewards are massive. So, are we witnessing the dawn of a new era in the automotive industry? As we've seen, Chinese cars are emerging as a force to be reckoned with. Their rise is marked by innovative designs, advanced technology, and most importantly, a competitive price-performance ratio. This has led to a growing interest in these vehicles worldwide, shaking the foundations of the automotive industry. Chinese car manufacturers are not without their challenges, though. They face the daunting task of proving their reliability and safety standards to a global audience. Plus, they must navigate through intense competition and stringent regulations in various markets. Yet the promise of Chinese cars is undeniable. They offer an alternative to traditional automotive powerhouses, and their potential is immense. The road ahead may be filled with speed bumps and sharp turns, but these manufacturers are geared up for the journey. Only time will tell if Chinese cars will rev up to the challenge and race ahead in the global automotive industry.